So right now we're at the pond, pretty much a lake for the most part. And again, one of the things that we did here was we built this concrete dock. It expands to almost 100 feet from beginning to end, a little bit over actually. And then we incorporate our floating dock so that in the wintertime, it has the fluctuation with the ice buildup. And as you can see, the water's pretty clear. We did that by cleaning out quite a bit of the water in order to make it aesthetically pleasing. But this was a very interesting and very fun project for me to do, and I'm very happy to be a part of it.